My time as a picture editor has given me a better idea of how to get in contact with a photo editor, what format to send the work in, just really sort of practical, really logistics, which I think aren't really taught in the programs. Think about your audience, who it is that you want to see the work. Make sure that you are pitching to the person that represents that audience. Personal projects are really important. I think it's how you build your portfolio. And when you look at how saturated the market is for photographers now, more and more photo editors want to see pitches of something that cuts through the noise. Pick a beat, and that could be either subject matter or regional. Establish yourself as an expert on a certain topic or a certain place, and that will help you get work initially, at least in that place, and you can always branch out again later. You will get work, but through referrals and name recognition. People don't want to hire people that they know nothing about, so it's important to go to festivals, interact with people on social media if you can't get to festivals. Be reliable and be nice. Again, it's a small industry, so these are the things that will get you hired again. Once you get your foot in the door, lots of people can take great photos, but not everyone's great to work with, so it's really important to make sure that you are professional and reliable.